part 2 of the video. Dude, hell of a video. This is awesome. Alright, let's go. We're walking through, just looking at these vehicles. Look at this track.
Amanda Cheek, O'Reilly Auto Parts side. Performance beer torque converters. Pal Ramen Ranch. Redemption Motorsports side, Josh Barnum out of England, Missouri with the O2 undercover drag.
Yeah. Because I just want to keep this as a memory. My first ever drag race. This is my first time ever coming here.
My first ever drag race, I think it was like 2 or 3.
Whoa.
No. Booze Brothers. The Booze Brothers.
The Booze Brothers. That's too much. That's, dude, that thing has a mean
Zoom in
look.
on the booze. Play the Ford thing.
Oh my gosh. Dude. That thing's so cool though. Well, it has the parachute and everything. Dude, look at that car always in the back, that blue one. Hey, where's the funny cars?
I think it'll be tomorrow.
Oh, it's gonna be tomorrow?
Yeah. Okay.
Dude, we still got BA cars here.
Austin Royals, the Mokan powered 04 Gebhardt dragster on a Rogersville, Missouri, sponsored by.
That looks like that has to be.
I like the Gold Rush.
Yeah, here's one I voted on earlier, but didn't he win or lose?
I think he won.
I believe he barely won. Dude, just look inside of that. This thing's beautiful. What is that, Stingray? Or isn't that a Stingray? Yeah, Stingray. Bro, we just gotta step at all these cars and just videotape them.
Fill the tire.
Mark Curl, the S&W dragster out of Mount Vernon.
That's awesome.
Redemption Motorsports side is Ken Ziller out of Smithville, Missouri, with 64 Chevy Two-Wagon.
This way?
Yeah, that way. That's where, actually, I don't think we need to fit into the dragster. Them ones, because they're perfectly fitted for who you are.
I mean, you probably couldn't even race.
We're Lucy's older than me by like a year.
Oh, so I'm old enough to race?
It don't matter, you can race when you're like 6 or 7.
Oh, shit.
Yeah.
So basically, this is like any drag race.
Junior dragster. Yes.
Dude, I want to look at this. This is one I voted on earlier who lost. But he looks pretty cool.
It's fast.
All these cars are fast. What are you talking about?
The Snowbird Chevelle.
Yeah. Like here's what it's going to be. It's going to be drag racing video number 1. Or drag racing part 1. Drag racing.
Mokan, Labor Day part 1. Races. And then Mokan, Labor Day part 2. Pit walk.
And then part 3, funny cars.
Well, if they're here. I don't know, I think, because it said they were here.
Hopefully they're here. Gosh dang, these are some nice dragsters.
Do you think the real top fuel ones, though?
It would just be awesome to drive the cars, like, anyways.
I gotta drive that truck, I gotta drive that Chevelle.
I'd drive that, no problem. There was one earlier that literally looked like a normal car that you would drive every day.
Yeah. They're always
What the? Its tires are so close. Hold on, stop for a second. Look how close the tires are together.
not that far.
It's crazy what they do to these vehicles here. Hey.
That's the same, carburetor we got on them, too.
It's so hot here.
Especially these t-shirts. Ah. Dang, if I had mine on right now, I'd be...
Hey, you want to go pull in the shade real quick by this truck? Yeah. He's allowing us to get in this? Yeah.
Nice, cool. Take a picture.
Step back and get the door through the window.
Jaden. There we go, got it. Okay, it's your turn.
Thank you.
Can I hop in it too?
I'll take it.
Okay.
Don't you just click the volume?
Yeah. See the little phone in.
Alright.
There, I'll... Ty.
Good boys.
Thank
you.
That's cool.
Now you can come in the winter circle today. Come up and get your picture with me.
Alright.
The old man was like so kind, and he just like at the end.
I went at me like, they were like,
At the
why
end,
don't you go sit in it?
like, he was just like, hey, why don't you guys just come up to me at the end or wherever I'm in the winner circle? And I was just thinking, I don't think that truck's gonna win.
It's nice though.
It's a very nice truck, yes.
You might win this class.
Here's the junior drag. Hayden.
Highway 27, 168 mile an hour pass for the
168.
I've
160.
seen 200 mile an hour.
Hey. Hey. I thought you said it was light blue and black.
It's like blue and black. It has no like silver in it.
Do you know who she is?
Yeah, she used to be our neighbor.
Oh, we're looking at that. The drag bikes. Dude, the drag bikes look so mean.
Go down next to the Knoxville, Iowa. It's Jared Meister.
Wait, what the heck is that? Is that nitrous? Hey. We're doing pretty good.
They said they were only running 2. They just started.
Oh, they just discarded two?
I thought that guy was calling us.
Hey, stop right here.
That was one of the fast ones.
I gotta get a picture of those two dragsters right beside each other. Dang, these things are really nice. That's what we basically said on. I just videotaping them on the inside.
I don't know, just don't like put your head inside it unless they tell you to and stuff. Like I thought I was in trouble, like old man was gonna yell at me for
Like just looking inside your truck and stuff.
and it was like, why don't you get inside it? You remind me of Poppy.
Dude, that old man was very nice. Honestly, I really hope he does win.
Yeah.
Just for the sake of how nice it is. Like, usually down here you see people that are like,
178 miles an hour.
178.
In the
Hey, dude.
dragster.
Like, honestly, it would just be nice to see that old man win. Because,
Hey,
It's so
them
nice
cars
and-
will like shake your body.
oh, and by the way, the reason I want the guy to win is because, like, usually, like, other guys are like, why are you looking at my fucking car like that? And it's like, piss my pants.
Oh, no, they'll like let you look at it. They won't let you sit in it.
Yeah.
And that was a full drag truck.
Yeah, that was.
That's nice.
Dude, we're looking at the motor. This looks like a junior drag.
Just don't touch that chrome.
Oh yeah, it's probably gonna be hot.
There's that.
Is that Lucy's?
No.
Or no?
That's
That-
a junior tractor. What do you see?
That's a nice junior dragster right there.
Hey, hey.
Hey dude, up there's a junior drag. Isn't that a junior drag? Yeah. Right there. That green one.
Not a junior tractor.
That's not?
No.
It looks like it. Hey dude. We're doing good. Nice dragster you have here.
Thank you, buddy.
It'd be cool one day to race with one of these.
You get there.
It's gonna be a while though.
Yeah, it'd be worth it.
Especially finding one, having the right body, the right parts.
Did you start out with junior tractors?
I started out with that right there in 1980. I won my first race here.
Is that a junior dragster or no?
Yeah, that's a real car.
My first thing I thought it was a junior dragster just by how small it is. This is a nice beauty you have. Dang. Kind of jealous.
Did you hear that?
Did you hear that turbo on it?
Let's go up.
Wow. Anthony Whitfield doing one heck of a driving job out there in the front end of the drag.
Hey, we'll see that green one. You see it down there?
Green.
It's coming up.
126 on there, he set it off. Yeah.
126 mile an hour. He shut it off. He was going sideways.
So, we are going to give our starting line crew a bit of a break.
Hey dude, let's look at this track. Hey, let's look at this. Going through and just
Pretty
looking
sure
at
Girl drives this one.
And looking down at the top end, it looks like Whitfield's got off the end of the track.
Hey,
Dude, is this the guy who nearly wrecked?
look what's coming.
Anthony's out.
Getting towed.
No, because like it'll overheat.
Didn't appear to send it too far off.
I know, that's what I'm saying. He's getting.
There's going to be some cabins to pick
This
up.
is just the crap they put inside it.
That's old stuff.
Oh, wait. Yeah, that is old, ain't it?
Yeah, comp cams.
Oh, dude, here it comes. Here it comes. So this is the guy who went sideways? This guy just went sideways down here. He's getting towed.
No, this ain't the one that went sideways.
That is green. That's what they said. Green dragster? Or is that dragster?
Green Ultra.
Oh, it's sitting right here in the shade. It's hot. That's a beast. Oh, wow. That's beautiful. Also, I just want to find some of these people who tried the dragsters and see if they can let us hop inside.
Whoa.
we've been walking for 15 minutes. I wouldn't doubt it.
This one's
Feels like we've been walking for 20 minutes, actually. Honestly, I haven't seen any of these cars. Kane's seen probably most of them, I'm guessing.
I've seen all these. Most of them.
Okay, hold on a second. If you've ever seen GTA 5, hold on a second, if you ever played GTA 5 or anything, you know that looks like a Fudo.
That's a Vega.
I know, but it looks like a little Fudo, doesn't it?
Two of them.
You the little Fudos.
That's tiny.
But, oh shoot. Yeah, but this is the crap they put inside them, just for races.
They drive around on the street. A little carburetor's got on.
Should we ask when we sit down inside?
How long if they offer? You gotta learn that. Don't ask.
just wait for them off. Yeah, that. Whoa! I didn't see. Are they gonna run that?
That, yeah. The one that went sideways is getting pulled right now.
Oh.
17.
Sweet interior. Hey. Yeah, that one is nice, I guess.
I don't know how many rattlesnakes are out there.
There ain't no rattlesnakes.
Out there?
Copperheads.
Out there, some rattlesnakes.
And copperheads.
Oh, no doubt.
Dude, that's nice. Hold on, hey, here it comes.
Oh, no, that's not even true.
Oh, it ain't?
Yeah,
How do you know?
it was. Just
Hey, this isn't the one that popped its motor, is it? No, no, this one was the guy. This one was the one.
that one right there.
Yeah, that is the one. 'Cause he was racing in this one, and then that one pulled up, and the guy right behind him did his burnout and just goes pop. You want to look at it? That's what they're doing. We're good. I like your dragster here.
Thank you.
Was this the one that popped while doing the burnout earlier down there, or no?
What?
No, like, Ken.
That wasn't able to race
No.
when it pulled up. Okay. He thought it was.
Earlier there was a dragster that did a burnout and something like
Oh,
popped
yeah,
in it.
Yeah. I helped push that one back, but I didn't.
We thought it was just because of the color of it, but we couldn't tell. Another reason why we thought about it is because you're working on the motor, I'm guessing.
Yeah. No, this wasn't it. It ran that time. May not run next time. It ran that time.
What happened to it?
There's chicken.
I don't know. Lost a ring in the motor or something.
What's the ring? Piston.
I
The
got
ring.
I know. These are nice dragsters. Well, I think we're gonna end part 2 right here.
Look at that.
Should we end part 2 right here?
Yeah.
Okay, we're ending part 2 right here. Let's go to this dragster and end it. We're ending part 2 right here.